What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble your Ganador mirrors for your IS300 or Toyota Altezza. I feel like the design for Ganador mirrors is pretty standard across the board, so even if you don't have an IS300, this will probably still help you out. So first step, what you want to do is take these two screws out. Kind of gives you access to the two behind it that you're going to go for after. Just unscrew those after that. Disconnect the plug. So this next step is probably the hardest part of it all. You basically just want to get these metal pins out, which are held in by springs that are on the mirror side. If you can, try to push them out with like a screwdriver or something, but the pins are pretty much held together by paint because whoever had this before me just didn't really care. The pins are out now. This basically holds the mirror together with the spring design. You can separate the two pieces. These two ends right here, they're spring loaded, and what they do is they hold each side together with tension. Here you only need to remove these 5 that I'm pointing at. The bottom right one you don't need to remove. Should just lift off.